Let's understand filter function in Power BI. So filter function brings another table based upon certain conditions, or we can say that it brings any subset of another table, and it can be used along with other functions like calculate. For example, if I say that our overall average price is less than $40 inside the product price lookup table, then it will bring an entire table where the price is less than $40. And after that we can use other calculated columns or calculated measures just like this calculate here to calculate the quantity of those line items whose price is less than $40. So let's go into the Power BI live environment and try to understand this in more detail. So this is our measures table at the moment. Inside that we are having our I can say high priced item at the moment, and this high price item, let me just bring it to our table here. Yes, you can see that these quantities are given for men's wear and women's wear. However, if we go to high price item, we have put a static function of the product price where it's greater than $50, then the product quantity would be shown. But what will happen if this 50 keeps on changing? Because right now this is showing a static number and we don't want to show any static number. So instead of that, let's see what will happen if I put the average price here. Right now we are not having the average price measure, so let's do and create an average measure. So we go here and create a measure. So let's give it a name of average price, and this average price would be coming from average, and this will be from our product lookup table. So inside product lookup table, the average product price is there, the product price is there, and we are trying to calculate the average product price. And let's bring the average product price to here. Now you can see that this is our average product price, but inside this average product price we don't want to create the bifurcation between two elements which are men and women. We just want to show the overall average price. So inside this average price formula, let's keep the I can say function of calculate and bring the all details. So let's go and do a calculate here, and inside the calculate, let's not have the filter, so use the all, and inside that all we just want the product lookup table, and let's press enter. Once we do that, you can see that $45 is showing, which is the average price for all the line items for us. Let me just have the decimal points to 0 here. So we just converted the average price to 0 decimals right now. Now if we come to our average price here, we know that this is not 50, this is 45, and this 45 keeps on changing based upon the future addition of new products or deletion of new older products. In that case, we don't want it to be a static number. So if I put the average price here and press enter, the Power BI will show me an error, because inside the calculate function we cannot compare the two expression like this. So instead of the calculate function using these two expressions, let's use the I can say the filter function, and filter function will be able to handle this very much. So we want to calculate the total quantity sold, and inside that total quantity sold, if we put one thing here for I can say filter, so let's go and do a filter here, and inside that filter what do we want? So the filter first ask for wait for a second, yeah, so let's just remove this first. Yes, so inside filter what do we want? It's asking for first the table from which we want the details. So the table would be our I can say product lookup table, because this is having the product price inside it. Then this is asking for filter expression. The filter expression would be what we have calculated right now. So we will say if the product price is greater than what? our average price, then it will do a calculation of total quantity sold. So let's press enter, and when we do that, you can see the highest price product item is showing, and we add it to our table and you can see the results. So basically what's actually happening is that this formula is calculating the entire average price, and inside the product lookup table where the product price is greater than 50, it's summing up and filtering the entire table where the price is greater than 50, and then price then is bought inside the quantity sold, I can say, table, and then the quantity sold quantity is being calculated. So you can see high price product quantities are calculated, and these are showing 3558 at the moment. So I hope you understood the uses of filter function, and thank you so much for watching.